Making some ackee and saltfish. First we boiled out the codfish a couple times because it's salty. Then cut up all the seasoning that you see in the pot right now. In the meantime, you're picking up the saltfish. You're picking it up into pieces, in little bits, mincing it up. Then we're going to put all that in the pot, fry it up, and then empty that can of ackee in it. And you need to put more spice. Like, I like my stuff spicy, so you know, you could always add that to it. Some Scotch bonnet pepper. So here's the codfish right now. Let me show you what the codfish look like before. That's how I pick up the codfish. So this is part one of how you starting to make your ackee and saltfish.